Practice Test 8, the Green Revolution. Today I want to discuss the Green Revolution, a period in the mid-20th century when agricultural practices transformed dramatically, increasing global food production. The Green Revolution involved new farming methods, improved crop varieties, and modern technology, all aimed at preventing hunger in developing nations. Let me give you two examples. The first is the development of high-yield wheat in Mexico. In the 1940s, scientists bred wheat varieties that produced more grain and resisted disease. These new strains allowed farmers to grow more food on the same amount of land, helping Mexico become self-sufficient in wheat production by the 1950s. The second example involves rice production in Asia. The International Rice Research Institute created new rice strains that matured faster and produced larger harvests. Countries like India and the Philippines adopted these varieties. With better irrigation and fertilizer use, rice production soared, helping to reduce famine in the region. The Green Revolution showed how scientific advances could solve urgent global problems. However, the professor also notes that while food production increased, the revolution also led to concerns about pesticide use and environmental impacts. Overall, the Green Revolution illustrates the power of agricultural innovation to address food shortages. The professor discusses the Green Revolution. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.